4 teams, 5 days, only one winner. These 4 teams will battle it out to decide which team will be crowned the Cupcake champion. Let's meet the team.
My name is Madison.
My name is Madison.
My name is Peter.
My name is Andrew.
My name is Kate.
My name is Trav.
Hi, my name is Dante.
I'm Charles.
I'm MJ. I'm Noah.
My name is McKenna.
My name is Christina. My name is Michaela.
My name is Caitlin. My name is Riley.
Team Toy Story spent the day making the vanilla cupcakes.
Ich reise viel, ich reise gern, fern und nah und fern. Ich bin zu Hause überall, meine Sprache
Their fond day.
international. Ich mache es gern jedem recht. Ja, mein
Meanwhile, they were doing
Sprachschatz
that.
ist
Team
nicht
Spooderman was
schlecht.
busy making their vanilla cupcakes.
Im Wortgefecht mit dem anderen Geschlecht. Ich bin kein Mann für eine Nacht. Ich bleibe höchstens 1-2 Stunden, bevor die Sonne wieder lacht. Bin ich doch schon längst verschwunden und ziehe weiter meine Runden. Ich bin Ausländer. Mi amor, mon chéri. Ausländer. Ciao ragazza, bitte chance on me. Ich bin Ausländer. Mon amour, ja lo beauty.
Finally, Team Tangled chopped and squeezed lemons for their filling and baked their cupcakes.
Andere Länder, andere Zungen. So hab ich mich schon früh gezwungen, dem Missverständnis zum Verdruss, dass man Sprachen lernen muss. Und wenn die Sonne untergeht und man vor Ausländerinnen steht, ist es von Vorteil, wenn man dann sich verständlich machen kann.
Starting off the day, Team Toy Story spent their times filling up their cupcakes with their peanut butter and jelly filling, while also working on their icing. Meanwhile, Team Princesses baked up their chocolate cupcakes and made their fondant ornaments. Team Spider-Man decorated the tops of their cupcakes with their strawberry frosting. Then they iced the tops with the spider logo. found a Team Tangled made their characters and accessories for their cupcake. Starting off the day, Toy Story went and put their finishing touches on their cupcakes. Princesses began to decorate their box as they also finished their final touches on their cupcakes. Spider-Man as well finished their cupcakes and began working on their display. Meanwhile, Tangled frosted their cupcakes and added their accessories.
Okay, so we have a vanilla cupcake with a filling of peanut butter mousse and marshmallow frosting. So we wanted to replicate like a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. And then we have a buttercream frosting, and then we have fondant to replicate like our clouds that are in Toy Story. And then Justin's lasso, Woody's hat, and then Freddy's little buttons on it.
So overall, Mr. George, what's your feelings about the whole cupcake? Did you enjoy it?
I thought, yeah, it was delicious.
Not buttery. I didn't get as much jelly. The jelly, but definitely a lot of peanut butter.
Yeah, I agree with that. Peanut butter is excellent. I'm not a huge fan of icing, but that was not overwhelming, so I liked it. It was okay. Good job.
Very good. The cake is very moist. Maybe needs a little more filling, but very, very pretty display and yeah, good balance.
All the details on all the decorations too, each one specific to the different characters was a great idea.
And how about the cake? Anybody else?
Taste is excellent.
Buttercream is excellent.
Moist, delicious.
Yeah.
Yeah, so our cupcakes are a vanilla like breading with a strawberry jam filling, and it has a buttercream with fondant on top with breading inside.
I like it. It's very different. I like that the shortbread cupcake, it has a good amount of filling. The icing's good, not too sweet. Good designs.
And the icing and the filling kind of complement each other.
Mr. Lister, what do you think?
Well, I'm a fan of strawberry, so I find it to be good. I wasn't expecting that either, so it was a good alternative to our first two selections.
That was your little palate cleanse.
Okay, so we did like lemon cake, and then the filling is a lemon curd, and then the frosting we made out of, it's like blueberry buttercream frosting, so we made, like I made it out of like the juice. So
Oh,
like
wow.
that color, yeah.
Excellent flavor. Cake a little dry, but the filling is excellent. I really like the blueberry icing. It's different.
Yeah.
I think the icing is good. It's not overbearing. Lemon flavor is strong but good. And I don't mind the cake. It's a little dry, but I think it's good balance for its own.
Yeah, with the filling and the icing.
So the winner of the 24-25 Cupcake Wars is Tangled. The winner is Tangled.
Overall, I think we did pretty good. I mean, I think our box could have been better, but I think we did a pretty good job.
I think we did a really good job, and I think if we had room for improvement, but we had fun while we did it, and I think that was the most important part.
I think me and my group worked really well. I think one thing we would do better was probably have more help.
I think we did great. Probably would change is making the cupcakes on the day of presenting, decorating them that day because cupcakes are gone hard, didn't taste as good.
So, all I want to ask you is, how do you guys feel after you won?
Feel good.
Yeah, very excited.
Yeah. A nice way to remember this.